Hey, what's up, YouTube? Yeah, this wire harness got us a mess, man. That's what I've been doing, trying to get this wire harness together. Been learning. Got my fuel. Got this ready to go because I'm gonna use the original fuse box that's on the '05 Suburban I had. That's under the hood. So we're gonna use all original stuff. So I eliminated all the wire that I needed. So I only need this gray wire, which is for the fuel. So that's ready. And gotta have a diagnoser. I'm gonna have that so I can diagnose my engine when stuff go wrong. Now I'm gonna try to eliminate this stuff here because I only need so much off of this. I'm getting that together now. It's just been a big mess, man. Yep. Eliminated all that stuff I didn't need. But yeah, trying to get it together, man. So I've been busy working, doing the usual. But while I got time, it's been kind of raining, so lately I just been in the house trying to get this together too when I ain't working. So when I get back to actually doing some work to the car, because my next step is really dropping the engine in. I really ain't doing too much to it, like I say, but putting some new gaskets on it and painting it up, making it look a little bit better than what it looked. Other than that, we're gonna be ready to wire it up, crank it up. Won't be long before I get back to it. I had to order some motor mounts, old school mounts, so it all fit right. Cause I got the adapters already, but now I need the actual mounts. So it's one step at a time. It's costly, so I take my time and do what I can when I can. But it will be some more updates, man. It definitely be some more updates. I'm gonna get out there and start breaking it down. I know I said that before, but I actually wanted to get this wire harness, start breaking this down and getting this together. That way when I break the motor down, paint it up, drop it on in there, all I gotta do is wire it up. All this will be ready. This will be out the way. Yep. But yeah, to the next video. 1.